Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by checking the physical link. You want a firm HDMI or display port connection and the TV set to the matching input. Once done, switch the TV into PC or game mode to reduce internal scaling. This preserves pixel mapping. Next, on your computer, open Settings System Display so you're ready to change resolution and scale. These immediate steps remove common automatic alterations and put you in direct control of resolution, scaling, and refresh rate. Now change the display resolution to the TV's native value. This produces the sharpest image, so pick 3840 x 2160 for 4K or the TV's listed resolution. Then adjust scaling. Set to 100% first and increase to 125% only if UI elements are too small. Make sure the refresh rate matches the TV's supported rates. Mismatched rates can cause tearing or overscan. If the image looks cropped, check the graph. Finish by eliminating overscan. On the TV pick picture or aspect settings labeled just scan, 1, or screen fit so the image maps exactly. If your TV lacks those options, use the graphics driver panel to nudge desktop scaling by a few percent until edges align. Make sure to apply changes and test with different apps. If the picture still crops or has black bars, update your GPU drivers and reboot both devices. This often resolves lingering handshake or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.